Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad bin Norrizan and I 20 years old this year, and I also from 3 BEKG 3, and today I'm gonna share to you guys about my experience and my journey for my industrial training program that I was due at RTM Kedah. Okay, before that, I will share to you guys about my company introduction, which is Jabatan Penyiaran Negeri Kedah, RTM Kedah. Okay, basically RTM or Radio Television Malaysia is the national public broadcaster of Malaysia. It is established on 1 April 1946 as Radio Malaya, as the first and the oldest broadcaster in the country. When Malaysia was formed on 16 September 1963, Radio Malaya was renamed as Radio Malaysia, while Television Malaysia was also established at the same year at 28 December. In 1969, Radio Malaysia and Television Malaysia merged to form RTM that we know today. RTM have monopolized the free-to-air television until 1984 and radio until 1988, when the private and radio stations such as TV3 and Best FM began to exist. Currently, it operates 6 television channels and also 34 radio stations. Okay, right now I'm gonna tell you guys more about RTM Kedah. Okay, at RTM Kedah, there's 3 main department, which are bahagian pentadbiran, bahagian rancangan, and bahagian kejuruteraan. There are several units under bahagian kejuruteraan, which are MCR, Berita Awas Masa, Technical, Facility, and Siaran Luar. For bahagian pentadbiran, their unit are pentadbiran, keselamatan, and pemadu. For bahagian rancangan, their unit are produksi, siaran, khidmat am, pemasaran, and berita awas masa. Okay, as you guys can see at my slide right now, okay, this is my industrial supervisor. Her name is Puan Nurali binti Samsudin. Puan Nurali is an engineer and also a head of bahagian kejuruteraan in Jabatan Penyiaran Kedah, RTM Kedah. Okay, first thing first, I will tell you guys about each of unit that have been placed when I was do my internship at bahagian kejuruteraan RTM Kedah. And along this presentation, I'm gonna share with you guys all these units. Okay, first thing first is the main control room, or we call it MCR. Main control room is the place that refers to a room that contains the equipment used to bring all the audio and video signal together into a composite signal that is broadcast or recorded. MCR also like a heart of the broadcast system, and I was placed at MCR in week 2 and week 3 in internship period. Okay, without MCR, any shows such as radio, news cannot be broadcasted. Some main equipment at MCR are MCR various mainframe, various control screen, audio processor, and telecom equipment or TM equipment. Okay, as you can see, there's some picture that I shared to you guys. This where you can see in MCR. There's some equipment in here. There's so telecom equipment, and also we monitor the channel and the radio station. The signal. Sorry. Okay, right now I'm gonna share to you guys about the broadcast system in Kedah FM. Okay, as you can see right now, this is a broad diagram. Okay, first thing first, broadcast system in Kedah FM, it starts from the Conti, as we got the signal from Conti when the DJ do their job. Okay, actually, the DJ got the song, all the song come from the server room, because server room is like a big PC, because it store all the song, all the data, and from the server room it will send to the Conti, and from the Conti it goes to the VEDIS mainframe router, which at the MCR. And for the connection, for the flow of the signal, they use fiber, digital, and internet. Okay, from the mainframe router, it goes to the audio processor. Okay, this audio processor, the function is, when from the signal from the VEDIS come to the audio processor, the signal will not so good, maybe the waveform will be spiked, so this audio processor will cut that spike part and will produce the stable signal. Okay, from the audio processor it goes to the TM equipment. When it go to capilla audio, it go to encoder, and also it goes straight. We got one signal radio Kedah FM, and we send by the fiber optic to the TM kolam air and go straight to the receiver at the Gunung Jerai and to the audience that we hear from our radio. Okay, next there is another unit by BEKU, which is unit Berita Osmasa. Okay, unit Berita Osmasa is a unit where they produce all the news that cover states of Kedah. They also recorded and edit the news and will be sent it to the HQ, which is RTM at Angasapuri. So as you can see, there is actually there is the equipment that they have at the unit Berita. Actually, this is the studio that are inside the unit Berita, and actually this studio, when they need to do live, they will use this studio. Okay, as you can see, my previous slide, I have told you about the broadcast system in Kedah FM. Okay, as you can see right now, there's some block diagram that tell us how a news can be seen in our television. Okay, first it come from bahan. Okay, first step is come from our cameraman when they have job at location. They will send the video to the VE or video editor. They will edit the video using Final Cut Pro. After they finish the editing, video will send to the HDMI and SDI converter, because for television, the format that they use is SDI, and you guys know when we edit using iMac, the format is HDMI, so we need to convert it to SDI to make sure the video that we edit can be shown at TV. So from the HDMI to SDI converter, we get the SDI. The output is SDI, so it goes to the audio and video embedder and go to the VNGS, the encoder, and it goes straight to the RTM at Angasapuri. It goes to the switcher and it goes straight to the MCR, and MCR at RTM will get the video and they will show it at our TV. Okay, next is unit facility ICT. Okay, for unit facility ICT is a unit that will check the computer and the Wi-Fi signal, and they also will be in charge to deal with the TMS, which is monthly time clock report. Okay, actually TMS in the simplest word I can say is like our attendance. They will clock in, clock out using a card, and all the information will be stored in the disk system TMS, and at the end of the month they will bring out this TMS, and they can see, and the staff can see their clock in, clock out time when it comes to the RTM. As you can see at the lower part of the picture, that's how unit facility ICT looks like. And at top, actually I've given the opportunity to study about the motherboard, but anything about PC. I have the opportunity to learn from the staff. Okay, next is unit siaran luar, or commonly the staff at here calling OB, or outside broadcast. Okay, unit siaran luar is a unit that will take care about technical side when an event is going on. They will prepare and set up all the equipment that is needed to make sure the event can be broadcast. The standard equipment that is important for broadcast are 1 mixer, 2 speaker, and 1 mic. Okay, as you can see, there is some equipment that unit siaran luar have. As you can see at the top is a mixer, next is speaker, and actually I also getting this opportunity to set up mini PA system. And as you can see my picture, I at that time I try to setting the mixer to make sure I can get the best quality sound. Okay, as a conclusion, doing my industrial training at RTM is absolutely amazing, because at here I gain more knowledge regarding communication and broadcasting. Even though my background is more to electrical, but it's good to know new knowledge and also learn. I also can understand to cooperate in a workplace environment, and also I can build a good networking with other people. So I think that's all my presentation. Thank you very much.